you search for fracture points because it's very useful for your forecasting. And one of the fracture points, obviously, that we've been discussing is demographics. And what I find striking about that is I've had many conversations on the show about economics and the future of the United States and the future of China and the world. And somehow nobody has mentioned birth rates. And based on your expression, you're clearly like, wow, how has nobody mentioned birth rates? I'd like to get to the forecasting part and just how do these birth rates affect China, the United States going forward? What does that look like?
Well, first of all, let me make a bit of an excuse for everyone who doesn't follow it. I get it. I mean, demographics don't matter until they do. They move slowly. They move with the speed of a human lifetime, and they just don't matter until they do. It's like a glacier wall. It's there, and then suddenly it lurches forward and you're a smear. And until that happens, you don't care. The issue is that the birth rate decline has now been so long or so low for so long, we're now getting to the point where the cliff wall's right here. And in the next 10 years, Korea, Japan, China, Italy, and Germany, just to name what's that, 5 of the top 10, all age into obsolescence in this 10-year period where they simply don't have enough workers to maintain what we would consider to be a value-added, modern industrialized economy. And their birth rates have now been so low for so long that even theoretical repopulation is well beyond them. And there's plenty of other countries that are just behind those 5. In terms of the geopolitical implications of this means a collapse of capitalism in its current form because there cannot be trade if there is not consumption. And there simply are not enough countries where the spending power is high enough and the population of workers is high enough to generate the consumption that is necessary to backstop trade. So we're going to have to develop something different. Now, in the United States and in Mexico, where we have much higher birth rates, we still have the consumption base. And considering that the United States does not have a lot of its economy invested into global trade, we don't have to substitute a whole lot. So the US and the Mexicans together, and obviously Canada is along for the ride, assuming NAFTA holds, means that we get to see how everyone else deals with this before it's a problem here. And hopefully we will learn a few things, even if it's just what not to do.